To Michaelson and Elizabeth City. That is the Kato E8 that I added the SDM144 KOA to. And it's leading the microtrain's hospital kitchen and 4 mile power cars that have been modified to look like a U.S. Army hospital train. The Kato still needs some adjustments in speed. I think it sounds pretty good. I'm just using 4 cars plus the kitchen right now. I decaled those back, maybe 10 years ago. I had somebody make up some decals for me based on some pictures that I had of a hospital train. I'm going to attempt to follow it, so you'll have to bear with the shaking. Here we are on the loop above the helix. I'm having trouble with that turnout that you see the 2 red pins next to, and I may relay that. I don't like the way it's performing, so I may move it back up on the track, maybe over to about in there. So that's one reason I'm not going to do scenery for quite a while. And over here, I've disconnected the tortoise for the time being. I'm waiting for the remote mounting kits to come. Okay, now it's going through the turnout that goes into the reversing loop. Sorry I'm shaking, but I got to go back to the controller again. Okay, it's now going into the reversing section again And you probably saw that in the earlier video I did. Have to put the controller down and plug it back in. I don't use radio control. Those cars come out pretty good. Oh, did I not have power on? No, power was off. That's what, my fault. Didn't turn the power on to track 2. And that's what turned it on right there. Right there. So it's now on one of the staging tracks up there. And power is now off. So thank you for watching.